Oh my goodness. I found one of these because I was like, oh my god, it's so
You gotta go backwards.
No, I don't.
Pedal backwards.
No, it doesn't go backwards.
Oh, you gotta skid out.
There's no brakes. None.
You just gotta skid out.
Oh my god.
Like that. He's gotta crank it hard.
Oh my god, what's fun? Do you want to try it?
No. Not gonna fit.
Oh my god, this thing is so much freaking fun. But it really works out the top part of your legs.
That's what Noah was saying.
Because there's no extension here, man. We can customize this sucker, make it long.
Yeah. Probably could move the
It's
seat.
kind of like that recumbent bike.
Mm-hmm.